Surprise, motherfucker. It's Monday. You know what day it is? Oh, damn. Shit. Surprise, motherfucker. It's Monday, which means it's double entry day. Go to the link in the description down below. Get you a shirt, a hat, a hoodie. Dang, I had an Ellis Nasty hat on today. Man, that would have been a perfect merch plug. Oh my God. Some socks, some drawers. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up in 4 months. So you can get your husband some new drawers so you can look hot and whatnot. Oh man, is that Logie?
Oh yeah. Hey Logan. Hey, come get in this merch plug quick. Hit him with it. Start yelling.
Go to lsnasty.com. Get some merchandise. You hear me? It helps with my roids.
All right, guys. Double entry day. It's Monday. It's freezing cold, so we're gonna start your Monday off right. Go to lsnasty.com. Every dollar you spend gets you 2 entries. We got shirts, hats, hoodies, stickers, socks, posters, boxers. I think we got long sleeve shirts coming out. Not sure if they're out yet. They're very hard to get, but
I keep getting Chris's trunk.
every dollar you spend gets you 2 entries to win this thing. It's going away on the 15th. That's the last day you can get your entries, so don't miss out on it. You can't win it if you're not entered, so get some badass merchandise. Is this the week?
Vic, if you're watching this, call us back. Please.
Didn't hear no ring.
Yeah.
All right. Is this the week that the S10 frame's getting out of here?
Oh yeah.
It is.
A lot of things getting out of here.
What?
This week.
Give him. Oh, hold on. Very, 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 very important announcement. We got Toys for Tots going on here, Ellis Nasty.
Oh, yeah.
So our address is in the description below. You can mail us any unwrapped toys to go for the Toys for Tots. And the 21st, November 21st, Cars and Coffee here at Ellis Nasty. It's a Cars and Coffee toy drive. So show up with an unwrapped toy. We're going to put it in the Toys for Tots box. We're going to pack the house, load it out. We're gonna have food and
best burnout.
A new toy.
No, I don't know if we're doing Are we doing burnouts?
I'll pay it.
We're doing burnouts at the Cars and Coffee. It's got to be.
Have a set of tires I need to
It's got to be. The burnouts have to be. They can't be on the road up there. They got to be in the parking lot.
We're gonna
In the parking lot. But it's November 21st. So if you're from out of town, put your shit on a trailer and come down here. Toys for Tots, bring a toy.
Cars and Coffee. They're supposed to be able to drive that thing.
You can, or you can trailer it and drive it down the road. It don't matter. But we're going to have food and coffee and everything here at the shop. We're going to get the shop all cleaned up so you guys can hang out with us here. So that's going to be November 21st. It's a Sunday, Cars and Coffee. I think, are we up to date on all of our announcements? We got the giveaway going on. We got Cars and Coffee going on. We got Toys for Tots going on. Anything else you guys want to say before we really dive into this video?
Are we going racing this weekend?
Oh,
testing Sunday.
yep.
Where?
Glot.
All right.
Yep.
We've made a purchase. We're gonna build another something similar to a booster rooster.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
big
yeah.
news.
Oh, yeah.
Big news here
We
from
gotta
LP.
finish another project though.
No, we're listen. We got enough hands on deck between me, Phil, and you. We can get a build done by 2025.
No, we can get it done in about a week.
So there is going to be an F body on the channel. Big announcement.
Yep.
The boosted rooster's coming back. What are we gonna name it?
I don't know.
It's a Camaro, but we're still gonna go with that same vibe.
Yeah.
We can call it Cat Dog.
And maybe we should talk
Hey, right there. Got its name right there. Cat dog. Hey, cat dog. Cat dog right there.
5-3 from our
And this is your car.
Yeah, except everybody's gonna drive it. We're all gonna have fun with it.
Well, I got turbos to supply. We'll get on board with.
Can we not do anything stupid?
We'll go on board with her on speed.
All right, thank you.
So we'll do a her on speed kit. We already got a bunch of really good stuff here at the shop. So
Out the hood though.
hey. Oh, we got to get the exhaust back from Chase.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boosted rooster
I
exhaust.
can make another one.
No.
Chase deserves. Oh yeah, but he can't
He's
use it.
new car.
Oh,
Yeah. Chase got a new car too. But cat dog in the house.
Cat Dog and Alex.
Cat dog.
Hey, that's like the perfect name for we're gonna put the picture on the back window and have Logan's head on one side and your head on the other. All right, guys, you know what? I'm feeling really good today, and you guys are just gonna shut up and watch today's video. Back on the fab table, which means one thing. It's time.
I'm gonna use your Dodge to go to Advance because I haven't drove it yet since you. put the thing on it.
Man doesn't even have a daily.
This
The
is how it
tuner, yeah, I
goes.
know.
This is how it goes. Listen,
I have
all of my stuff.
I have a.
Hey, will you go?
Toro.
Can you do me a favor?
What's up?
Can you just go? I'll give you my card. Can you just get me fuel filters for it?
All right.
So you guys are in the process of just shutting up and watching today's video, and I'm gonna lay some ground rules here, folks. Lay some ground rules. I'm gonna build zoomies. All right. It's not gonna take 9 months. I'm gonna give myself 2 weeks to actually build it, but it comes in like 2 parts, right? So I can't finish the zoomies until I have the front end mounted. So I'm just gonna start them now. So like we'll do it day by day. I'm not gonna show zoomie building videos every day because I know you guys just get so butthurt about it. I don't know why. Now everyone, this is what I don't understand. Everyone's gonna come and be like, John, why are you so sensitive? I'm not sensitive. I'm just speaking. I'm just telling you how I feel. So I'm building the zoomies. I'm not going to have a blower car with exhaust because then it sounds like a tractor. So it's going to have zoomies. If you are at the racetrack, it is going to blow your hat into orbit. And it's going to sound great. And the plan is we're going to put on nitro at some point, and it's going to hold flames out the header. So now you guys know the backstory behind all of it. I got the flanges. I got some of the material. So my plan is I'm going to just build them like out and down, like through the K-member, and then we'll be good. Come first of the year, we are going to have our shit together. We're going to have all our cars done. We got a new company, Nasty Wraps and Tint, coming out, which is, you know, if you guys are catching our drift, we got a lot of irons in the fire, but we got to keep rolling. So the Glizzard is going to be our chariot. Between the Glizzard and Cat Dog, Logan loves the new name. Do you love the new name?
I did.
Logan loves the new name. We plan to be racing like about every weekend here.
Oh,
so
while we're at it, fuel pump. See if anybody's got one.
Oh yeah, a Billet Enderley 990. A Billet Enderley 990. If you guys have one, please let me know. They're very difficult to get. I'd like to put the 990 back on the Bad Apple, but if not, I have an Air Motive Black here, but I have to change the bolt pattern and the flange for it, the collar. So just hit me up if you guys have one. We're willing to purchase it. They're very tough to come by at this point in time. So I got a cast 990, but the Billet 990s, I just want to be able to throw it on there and just have everything go back the way it was, because we did have that pump failure at Red Spring. So, all right, enough talking. Let's get into the zoomie building process. And hey, everyone, drop a comment below if you guys are excited to see some F-body action back on the channel with Cat Dog. All right, guys. So here we are. We got our flanges. I need to find some header bolts to bolt this up. Room-wise, really not terrible. We got probably enough room if we go down and through. I'm going to work on the driver's side first because passenger side is going to have the oil pump, fuel pump combo bolted up right here. Honestly, we'll probably have enough room to go outside of it, but I'm just going to start on this side first because if I can honestly just get them, I think probably one of the most important parts is spark plug clearance. You're going to be changing plugs. You want to make these cars easy to work on, accessible. You don't want to make it where you have to have 8 different sockets, special customized sockets to take spark plugs out. You want to be very, very accessible. So the spark plug holes on this thing are pretty accessible there. The main thing is, really, I just got to get spark plugs in each hole and then just clock the 2-inch elbows. I'm probably going to run 490s off there to get them pointed down, or maybe the back. I'll see. I still got to do steering shaft through here. You know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to lower the steer. Well, I'm gonna put a different column in it so the position can change. I think we're gonna have to do it like Slick Rick, where the steering column will be extremely low to the K-member and all the exhaust and everything will be above it, and I think that will probably provide the most clearance. Also, I'm gonna move the brake master cylinder inside the car just like we did on the Bad Apple, so you have just as much room out here as possible. That's the plan. So yeah, all right, let's get to work. All right, so typical Monday here, just getting my ass whooped, trying to take the steering column out. They ran self-tappers through all of the the firewall to steering column like adapter plate that they got going on there, and they did it with self-tappers in like 38 different sizes. Then this piece right here, which is like the whole pedal assembly, there's 2 bolts, but they're right behind this roll bar, so it's obviously in there. They put the roll bar in there, like, damn, we'll just keep it. I want to take all that out so I can hang pedals off of this bar here and just get rid of all this junk and kind of have it like smooth and open down there. So I got the last 2 in there to take out. Got to find 38 different sockets to get the self-tappers out. Then I can take the steering column out, and then the brake master cylinder will come out. We'll take the line lock and all that stuff out. So it'll just be really nice and clean. Nothing, no nonsense going on right here. That's the goal here. No nonsense. We want it clean. So We can build nice zoomies and have room, and then we'll put everything, gas pedal, brake pedal, do almost identical setup to the Bad Apple. Here, I'll run over here and show you, because the pedal setup on the Bad Apple is extremely nice. And they have it's got a little bit smaller of a crossbar going across it, but it feels really good. I think we're going to add one additional brace. But as you can see, the pedals and the steering column, everything's hung off this bar here, which is super nice. So got these pedals in stock here at the shop. The gas pedal actually, or sorry, the throttle pedal is I think that's Tin Soldiers race cars that we extended out, and it seems to work really good. I like to have the pedals spaced out decent amount, because when you're in there wearing your boots and everything, it's good to have a little bit extra room. All right, we finally got it. We got some room here to build our headers. Looking good. And I guess now it's time to just start mocking it up. Hey, my dog, you got any LS header bolts?
We gotta get inside them.
A bunch of bolts over there.
Hey,
Oh.
while we're at it.
Oh, that stuff's gonna be sold by the time this video. Well, no, this video's going out same day. This video's going out in like 2 hours.
If you're interested, don't message John, because you won't hear back from him.
Message Logan, not me. Thanks.
What do you think? $300, steering column, quick release, brake master cylinder, and build adapter.
Damn, that's pretty cheap.
That's pretty cheap.
I like it.
I like it too. I mean, I like it to be gone, so it ain't sitting on the floor. Oh, dude, they literally, whoever put the cage in, put the dash bar in.
Oh yeah, screw John.
They put the dash bar in front of where the bolts are for the pedal assembly, so even when you loosen the bolts, before you get them all the way out, they just hit the bar. So then you just have to put them back in and cut it off with a sawzall. Hey, this thing's looking good now, huh? Almost ready to head over to Business Performance and get
Put in chassis jail.
No. We're gonna do frame rails. We're gonna do seats. We're gonna mount 2 seats so I can give you a ride, get you in the Fords for the first time, Phil.
I'll probably be in the Ford before this car's done.
Oh, lock in.
I'm gonna find somebody shit to drive.
I have my. Here, hold this. And this.
Bow, found song.
Hell yeah, brother! It makes me want to go watch some WWE and drink a damn Natural Light.
Natty Daddy.
Alright, I say we stick the other space back on that thing.
No,
All the
negative. Negative. All right, in all seriousness here, this video has just gone out of control. Guys, it's a Monday, so cut me some slack here. How are we looking like?
Behind the car?
No, I'm going in front of the tire. But I got to make sure I got proper spark plug clearance. You know what I'm saying? Man, I feel like it's just going to suck to change plugs on this thing.
How? If you build it like a normal header, it won't. I mean, plug holes are right here.
What are you thinking? I mean, this one here I can go down pretty good. This one here I can go. I don't really have to tip them forward that much.
But you're going. All out single.
I'm going down to here, and then once they get like below the motor plate, they're going. The first one's going to be here. Second one's going to be there. Like they're just going to be stacked up. Oh, where's the rack?
Still got it in there.
Dude, steering column. I'm gonna have to run a Bluetooth column.
Remote control. We can finish our remote control.
I'm gonna have to run a Bluetooth column.
No, you won't.
Yeah, look at this. This is how they're going right there, Phil. Except they're gonna be like down there because we're gangster low with everything we do. So look, it's honestly header wise, it's not gonna be that long. These are gonna be much more compact than the Colorado Zoomies.
You want me to help you with it?
No, I don't want you to. I want your input here, but this is all John Doc fabrication.
It can go, which would be pretty easy.
John Doc fabrication. So, I mean, I think it's gonna be good.
You might have to come straight from the column out with the little one of those little.
Well, I can put the column anywhere at this point. Down, like I can like put it like way down here,
like through the mid plate.
Well, yeah, it can go right through it.
I mean, if you go through the mid plate, you'll be fine. But if you come straight out to where it was before, I mean, there's still clearance back here for like a little
joint.
Yeah,
I think I can go. I can definitely go down below it. I mean, spark plug. I think it'd be all right. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm about tapped out from building these Zoomies already. So I think for the first video,
title we plan on putting Zoomies on.
No, I think Cat Dog stole the title of this one. Yeah. You got a picture of it for the thumbnail?
Yeah, I can get one.
All right. Today's gonna be a cat dog video. All right, guys. Well, that's how our Monday morning goes around here. I think it's gonna look good. Now, as far as the other side with the fuel filter I'm gonna run fuel filter on this side, oil filter on the motor plate on this side, and then it's gonna have the oil pump and all that stuff there, and then everything will cross over the on the oil pan.
It's about the fuel pump to the oil pump.
It is, but I mean, I'm gonna run the fuel filter over here, and then it's gonna go from here up to the line, cross in the back, and then return out that side to the tank.
Oh, so you don't need these anymore.
Hence, this is going to be an oil filter.
Yeah, oil filter.
They said oil pump.
Yeah, no, oil pump will go on the back of the.
I mean fuel pump. My bad.
Fuel pump will go on the back of the oil pump. I'm trying to hang it like right there, so it's down pretty low. So I think we'll be all right. I mean, that looks pretty good.
Oof, we gotta mount all that before you put the before you make the zoomies too.
Yeah, I know. I got to get the front end. Like, I can do this part of the zoomies and like get them down, and when I trim the motor plate, I can get all that stuff out. I think on this side,
I think you should just weld up the flames for the time being.
I think on this side, I have enough.
Because he's got to figure out where the pipe angle is.
I got plenty of room on this side. If that oil pump is like close to the block, I'll be like, look at all that. I mean, that's quite a bit of room, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's going to wrap today's video. Don't forget, we got Caprice giveaway going on right now. Double entry day. Go down and get you some entries to win this gem right here. I got to wash it. It's due for a wash. It's been terrible out, but it's a beautiful day today. So we can get it washed, get it looking right and clean for you guys. And then you guys can be doing burnouts and taking it to Cars and Coffee. Just like we're having a Cars and Coffee on the 21st. Is it 21st? Sunday? Sunday the 21st. LS Nasty headquarters. If you guys feel like sending anything Toys or Tots wise, our address is in the description below, so you can send us any unwrapped gifts that we can add to the Toys for Tots. Or if you want to donate, I'll put a link down there and you can just donate money. So thank you guys so much for watching, for all your support. Go and get your entries to win this Caprice, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's upload.
He get to buy this round. Don Doc got to buy this round. The black sheep on the property. He got to buy to the next round. 15